Welcome back to Larte Design YouTube channel, and it's now finally time to show you the complete result of the large agenda project built by Larte Design. And as you have seen in the previous video, we showed you the full walk around of all the components done and developed for this specific project. So now it is time to reveal and show you how this project looks on the actual car. Have a look. This is the Lamborghini URUS, built and made by Larte Design in-house in Germany. Let's first of all focus on the front of this Lamborghini URUS as done by Larte Design. And as you already might wonder, on the left side you already saw the Lamborghini, another one which is actually waiting to be also built by Larte Design. So at the moment this is now the stock Lamborghini URUS, and as you can see, the Lamborghini DNA and its character built on precision geometric lines and powerful design. So we at Larte Design decided to refine and enhance its character and therefore designed this exclusive project. So let's talk in detail about it. As you have seen in the previous video where we walked around and showed you all the components developed for this project, you could already see that this project is quite complicated and interesting. So we start talking about the front, and as you can see, this front definitely looks different now compared to the stock Lamborghini URUS S. So the first thing that we see here, of course, the Larte Design special hood. Now, if you pay close attention, you will see, as I already showed you in the previous video, that this hood has got an interesting color combination. So what we did here, we painted one part of this Larte hood into the body color, and you can see this is the perfect match to the original Lamborghini color. And in the middle, we've left this exposed carbon fiber here, and as you can see, this looks amazing. So let me know what you think about this color combination, if you would also like to go for such combination, or maybe go for the complete exposed carbon fiber look. All large agenda elements have got precision and functionality. So in addition to this interesting design hood, on the bottom we've also got special elements. So if you pay close attention, you will see that here we've got an interesting carbon fiber element which definitely highlights and enhances its aggression. Also on the bottom, to complement this overall look, we've also got a complete Larte Design bumper splitter. So as you can see from far away, this car has got its elegant aggression and definitely looks special. We continue talking about the rear view of this URUS. And have a look, isn't it amazing? Look at this transformation. This car looks completely different compared to the stock URUS. And let me walk you through all these parts that we have developed here. So as you can see, first of all, the rear bumper diffuser, the most massive and biggest part on this car. In addition, with the interesting and extraordinary exhaust tips here, which have got, by the way, a new design, the geometric form, perfectly comprehends and complements this URUS character. And of course the Larte Design signature here also on this URUS, which are the Larte Design brake lights. Now this URUS now looks elegant but also aggressive, and therefore making it a true one-of-one piece. Now also when we look further up, you will see here that we've got an additional element here also in carbon fiber, and on the top two additional spoilers. One of them I'm holding in my hand, which is actually going to be installed now in a bit. So these two spoilers also add a big difference to the overall look of this appearance. And I'm interested also to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this complete transformation, and whether you also like how the carbon fiber parts look on this unique color? Let us know. We now also talk about the side view of this project, and as you can see, this project has been created to dominate, and this can be seen in every line and every transition, which is here to enhance this design. And by the way, as you can also see yourself, this design also looks natural from every single angle of this car. So let's talk in detail, have a closer look we start talking at the front here, we've got this interesting side elements also on the front and the rear. In addition, by the way, with this custom-made Larte Design forged wheels, and have a closer look, you will also see that even here we added something truly special. The client wanted to have his car a one-of-one piece, and here we also played with the colors and made this special Larte Design wheel with the color element. So this is something truly special and individual, and perfectly matches and completes this overall look. Now we also continue talking about the other elements. Let me also show them to you in detail. The side pieces, which as you can see highlight the sportiness and the power of this SUV. In addition, with the side mirror cups, which definitely add this premium exclusive look to the car. And on the bottom we've got something truly exclusive and truly powerful, to my opinion, which are the side moldings. In addition, with the interesting aerodynamic features here. So as you could also see in the previous video, we showed you how this part also looks from the inside, and you could also see that there is an opening for the air coming through, therefore enhancing and balancing the aerodynamics of this SUV. Now, as you can see, every line and every transition here on this design are made to enhance and refine its aggressive character of this already exclusive SUV. And by the way, this project is an engineering art. As you can see here in the rear view, we've got this interesting solution, which is a two-part piece. However, in the front, it's a one-piece element. These elements get installed into the original mounting points. It's a very simple installation process, as I already showed you in the previous video. So have a look, you get a detailed view of how every single component gets installed and gets attached to your Lamborghini URUS. And by the way, this interesting piece here makes your URUS even more individual, therefore making you feel truly one of a kind. As we already had a look at each element of this project, now as you can see, this URUS S now looks aggressive. So let's also listen to the sound of this URUS and see how it also sounds. So now I'm getting into the car.